Can I wait for me? Can you wait for me up here?
What are you gonna do?
Go investigate.
But it's dinner time.
I'll be right back.
You're going with your phone?
Yes.
¿Y si te caes?
Me callo, pues me callo. Y si me callo, pues me callo.
Back up.
Fácil, corriendo.
Isn't that trespassing and there's poison ivy?
It doesn't say no trespassing over here.
Don't you see poison ivy?
I see sharks over there in the water.
Shark?
I don't know. The water's moving too much.
No shark.
I want to go. Can I go? Can I go? Can I go?
Give me what you have hanging on you.
I got nothing hanging on me. I'm fine. Hey, I got permission for my leader. Follow the leader. To go see why the river's moving down there. Oh, poor guy. Should we do that? You shouldn't. Ah. Now my wife asked me how am I gonna get back up, and I said easy, but it don't look that easy. This is where I need my GoPro camera because I would have my hands free to slide or to go around poison ivy. Oh, thorny bushes. Okay, now I'm happy. The water was moving because it's downstream, and I don't see any fish whatsoever. So now there's probably fish in there. So now the question is, how the heck do I get back to my wife? I know one thing. Hello up there. I'm gonna have to tie my shoes. Okay, now I gotta get all the way up there. So I hear birds. Good thing I have my walking stick, hiking, climbing stick. Yikes. Thank God for this tree. The spirit of the Lord tree that caught me. This cannot be very good for my niece. No, I'm not talking about the girl that's my brother or my sister's daughter. I'm talking my niece above my feet. Thank God for another tree. Where's my GoPro? Where's my GoPro, bro? My glasses are fogging up. Se me olvidó hasta hablar español. Muy gringo, ¿no? Ah. Ok. Voy a hacer la obra buena del día y llevar esto a la basura. Y se le acabaron los paisas. Hey, I'm back.
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you. I broke my watch on the way up. And I just heard a coyote. Let me see if I can fix it. Success. Arreglé mi reloj. Hey, I fixed my watch. The side that I was on this very same park yesterday, it had garbage cans everywhere. Y acá no hemos visto. So, eso explica esto.
Why somebody threw it on the ground.
Sí, y no nos dieron, no nos guardaron. Ahora si nos agarra la policía va a pensar que vinimos de andar de borrachos.
You see that?
I saw the big bird. There you go. Those are quails.
Yeah?
Can you see them?
Yeah. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them.
They fly, but they can also run. I mean, they run, but they can also fly if I get close enough to them. But there's poison ivy, so nope, I'll stay in my trail. Así es de que tenemos que cargar la basura con nosotros y regresarla hasta acá. Acuérdense, amigos, pongan su basura en su lugar, aunque esté lejos, donde quiera que ande. Y dice el gringo, subscribe, like, comment and share. Suscríbase, comente y comparta. Así es de que nos vemos en el próximo video y el hand sanitizer ya viene. No se les olvide cargar su hand sanitizer para cuando tenga que levantar basura de otra gente. Adiós, amigos. Aquí tenemos el baño portátil que ahí entró mi esposa y no le gustó porque tiene mosquitos chiquitos. Y yo entré, pero yo nada más los bañé, así es de que a mí no me molestaron. Nothing.